The 2025 Toyota CHR marks the next evolution of Toyota's bold and stylish compact SUV. Designed with urban drivers in mind, it combines a striking exterior, a tech-forward interior, efficient hybrid powertrains, and enhanced safety features. Positioned as a sleek and sporty alternative to traditional crossovers, the new CHR delivers a dynamic driving experience with improved efficiency and sustainability. Exterior design. The 2025 Toyota CHR boasts a futuristic and aggressive design, featuring a coupe-like silhouette, sharp body lines, and a more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek LED lighting setup and a bold grille, while the sculpted sides and floating roof design enhance its sporty appeal. Available in striking dual-tone color schemes and equipped with larger alloy wheels, the CHR stands out as a head-turner on city streets. Interior. Inside, the CHR embraces a modern and premium feel with high-quality materials, an ergonomic layout, and advanced technology. The cabin features a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an intuitive climate control system. Comfortable seating, ambient lighting, and increased cargo space ensure a balance between practicality and style. Performance. The 2025 CHR is powered by a range of hybrid and plug-in hybrid (PHEV) powertrains, delivering both efficiency and responsive performance. Toyota's latest hybrid technology enhances fuel economy, while the available all-wheel drive system ensures stability in various driving conditions. A well-tuned suspension and precise steering contribute to a smooth, yet engaging driving experience. Safety features. Toyota equips the CHR with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, offering features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Additional enhancements in driver assistance technology make it one of the safest choices in its segment. Market position. The 2025 Toyota CHR competes in the subcompact SUV market, targeting young professionals and urban dwellers who seek a stylish, fuel-efficient, and tech-savvy vehicle. Positioned between the Corolla Cross and the larger RAV4, it offers a unique alternative for those looking for a more dynamic and head-turning design. With a focus on hybrid efficiency and sustainability, Toyota aims to capture environmentally conscious buyers. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota CHR continues to push the boundaries of design and innovation in the compact SUV segment. With its striking exterior, advanced technology, hybrid powertrains, and comprehensive safety features, it remains an attractive option for those seeking a stylish, yet practical urban vehicle. Whether for daily commutes or weekend getaways, the CHR blends efficiency with fun-to-drive dynamics, making it a standout choice in its class.